Yes, I'll see you tomorrow.
And then what is the minimum size for this one? 합니다.
안녕하세요.
버터. 그리고 저 위에 야마토 레이어 계란기를 이렇게 넣고요. 이곳은 네덜란드로 쌀 적재하는 쌀을 이렇게 준비해서 스태킹 해가지고 쌀의 스타일 하나입니다. 두껍장치. 이거 지금 아까 그 네덜란드에서 온 크리머에 카운팅 해가지고 사체 머신으로 기계는 가와시마 거 지금 이것은 네덜란드에서 온 카운팅 머신이죠. 냉동, 냉장, 식품 카운트하는 머신.
Type of product, the size of this product, around 700 a minute.
And then what is the minimum size for this machine? Minimum
Minimum
part,
size for this machine,
yeah. It's
5
like a
millimeters.
5 millimeter, 5.
But-
And then about the small
for seeds.
seeds.
Yeah, seeds is 0.5 millimeter,
Ah,
less than 1 millimeter.
yeah. 10 to
Yeah, well, not with this machine, but I
another
can.
model.
I have a seed counter.
Oh, I see. Okay. Partners from another company.
You're from Japan?
I'm Korean.
South
So
Korea.
make-
Oh, for this machine.
this machine.
Then I will send you a video of the seat
Ah,
counter.
thank
I will
you,
send
thank
you
you.
other videos too.
Yeah, yeah. Last time I have inquiry, but at the time I have no idea. So
I will send it to you tonight.
yeah. Ah, okay. Thank you very much.
Good.
Last Interpack, you exhibit in the Interpack?
Yeah.
Ah, really? Oh, at the time I was.
I was with the
only
seat counter. The seat counter was there.
Ah, I see.
All the counters.
Ah.
This one,
Ah,
pharmaceutical counters.
I see, I see.
We only make counting machines.
ah,
Pharmaceutical,
ah.
frozen food,
I see.
industrial,
Ah.
seat.
At the time, I only have one booth for promotional,
Ah.
so I cannot go outside. Okay, so interesting.
I will send you tonight all the videos.
Okay, thank you very much. So, you will stay in the long day in the exhibition?
Yeah, all day. Also tomorrow until Saturday.
Okay.
I go home Sunday.
Tomorrow, dinner.
Tomorrow
night.
evening.
Evening,
Yes,
yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow.
그리고 저 위에 야마토 레이어 계량기를 놓고요. 저거 인도네시아 팜 오일 2kg 2리터짜리